So we're going to be installing these NISMO wheels on our B18 Sentra. These wheels are pretty cool. They allow us to run a much wider tire than stock. These wheels are available in black, anthracite, and bronze. The fitment is what makes the whole thing. They're 18 by 8.5 inches with a 40 millimeter offset. This allows us to tuck a big old 245 4018 wheel into the stock wheel wells with no rubbing, even with a lowered car. This is a lot bigger than the stock tire. I mean, the stock tire is 215 4518, so big jump in the rubber lay down the road. So this is going to help handling and braking quite a bit. These wheels are also pretty light. They're only 24 pounds. That's pretty darn light for an 18-inch wheel. So lightweight, nice looks, and great fitment. What more can you ask for?